Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is using AutoCorrect in Microsoft Outlook 2010. Please see online tutorials for additional videos for working with Office 2007. The first thing you need to do to use AutoCorrect is to open a new email message. Once you've opened up a new email message, it will be necessary to add AutoCorrect to your Quick Access toolbar. There are also additional videos on using the Quick Access toolbar in online tutorials. In the very top left is the Quick Access toolbar. Click on the arrow next to the Quick Access toolbar to edit it. Go down to the bottom where it says More Commands and click on that. And what you're going to need to do is use the drop-down arrow here to choose All Commands. This means every command in or not in the ribbon will be displayed here. I'm going to scroll down until I find AutoCorrect. Here it is, AutoCorrect Options. Click on it, click Add, and now it's been added to our Quick Access toolbar. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now this green circle is my AutoCorrect options on my Quick Access toolbar. Click it. A dialog box will appear. What you're going to do is use the AutoCorrect option to type in phrases you use frequently in Outlook. For example, if you use Call My Cell often, you'll type in CMC and then move your cursor to the With column and type in Call My Cell, enter the number, and when you're finished, click on OK. Now, in the body of an email, if you type in CMC and you hit the space bar, Call My Cell will come up. You can use this for text you frequently type in an email. The autocorrection feature is also available in other Office 2007 and 2010 programs. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.